I'm Shannon, and in this video we are going to go over how to dress the package, and today we're doing Christmas theme. So I like to conceptualize my ideas before I start taping everything down on the box. So I am today using these little ornaments that I have gotten at the department store, and I'm going to use it as part of my gift today. And I found a little bow that kind of goes along with it. It's a little Santa theme. I like to do little gift tags on my presents. It is smart before you start taping everything down to write out on your tag whatever you want to put, a little message, who it's for, who it's from. And today we will be using curling ribbon as well. So I've kind of already started putting an idea of how I would like it to go. So for my little ornament, we'll have him dangle down, and then we will put our bow on top of it, and I will probably put my tag there. So we do have some spot for some curling ribbon. Then I will probably have this come down from the bow from side to side. So I'm going to cut it in half, and then to curl the bow, you hold your scissors and you put your thumb over your ribbon and slightly pull down on the blade of the scissors, and you have curled your ribbon. If you pull too hard, you can strip the ribbon and then it won't curl anymore and you need to get a new piece. All right. So now we will see how we want these to go down with my tag there. This one's a little straighter. All right, perfect. So then we want to start taping from the bottom up. So we will go ahead and tape our ornament down. Okay, so we've taped our ornament down. Now we will tape our curly cues down. I have too much on this end. Too much is better than not enough. Put our piece of tape. And then I like to tape it a little bit higher than the ornament or decoration that we're using on the package, so that it doesn't cover it up. And then I like to tape them down as to where I'm going like them to lay, and I just use a little piece of the tape for that, and then I pull it to where I would like it to be on the package, and then I simply tape it down. And I'm going to tape the tag down on this side first, so that that stays where I want it. And then I will pull these down. And I got a lot of tape going on right there, so I'll cover it up a bit with this. And then now we're ready for the bow. And for the bow, I like to put a little bit of tape on both sides. You peel the sticky part off and then put some tape so that the tape is facing towards the package to help it stay. I find you have better control of the bow when you put your finger in the center where the staple is, and then you just press it. You find where you like it and then press it down on the package, and then you're all set. You have a nice little package. Please like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe if you would like more tips on gift wrapping. Thank you so much for watching.